Welcome back. Well, a bit of a severe weather threat through this evening. We have the severe weather parameters in the moderate category for the most part. The threat of tornadoes, damaging winds, some hail as well, and maybe some locally heavy rainfall, but we're going to shy away from that, and we'll review this in just a bit. But let's take a look at the big picture as we look at the U.S., and boy, it's turned into an active pattern big time. And the system exiting the northeast, another one moving through the nation's midsection, and another one impacting the Pacific Northwest, and there's another one on the way, and that's going to be our next weather maker come Friday. Meanwhile, the storm system we're dealing with on the back end of it, blizzard warnings, big snows here. And by the way, more storms you get across the U.S., the more opportunity we'll have to pull down colder air, and we'll see that in the 10-day forecast. And this is the area of low pressure that's going to become the dominant area of low pressure. We have a front with it, and then a warm front that's draped through Acadiana right now. But in the southeastern quadrant and near this triple point right here, this is where we're going to be on the lookout for severe storms as this all moves eastward through the overnight hours. Now, tornado watch is in effect for all of southern Louisiana through 9 o'clock tonight. Flood watch is in effect across much of the area, including Vermilion, Lafayette, and Upper St. Martin parishes on eastward. No flood watch back to the west. Tornado watch in effect till 9 o'clock tonight. We do have a couple of warnings. Severe thunderstorm warning that's edging into Beauregard Parish, and a flood warning that's in effect for the southeastern parishes of Louisiana toward Lake Pontchartrain with a pretty intense storm. So let's look at the regional Doppler radars, and you can see an active squall line right here. It's broken. It's not solid yet, but we think this is what we're going to be watching, pushing toward Acadiana through the evening hours. And then a very intense cell over toward Lake Pontchartrain, showing a lot of cloud to ground lightning. But again, no warnings with that cell. But you got to remember, Slidell radar is down. They're moving it back toward Hammond, so we're not getting Doppler data from this area. We're getting Dopplers from elsewhere, and that's why KATC made the big investment on Power Doppler 3 just a few years back. When other radars go down, we have our own radar to watch, so that is the good news. As we take a look at some of the storm tracking here, the possibility of some small hail, but nothing too big right now. Earlier this afternoon, over toward the Lake Charles area, right around lunchtime, they had upwards of quarter to egg-size hail right at the National Weather Service office. So pretty intense. Now, we don't see any hail-bearing storms now, but we could see more moving on. And as for the radar at this hour, most of the activity along and north of I-10, mainly St. Landry Parish on northeastward. Elsewhere, it's relatively quiet. We'll take that, but we think it's going to change in the next few hours for sure. Some locally heavy downpours as we get into St. Landry Parish, not showing a whole lot of cloud-to-ground lightning. That is the good news. We did get a report of a funnel cloud down by Delcombe with this activity, but right now, all the severe weather staying elevated. But as temperatures and dew points come up later on this evening, as that low pressure system gets closer to us, we do expect the dynamics to strengthen. Again, you can see some of the showers out here. And let's just pull up Doppler velocity here. This is kind of cool. Let me just go ahead and stop that, and we'll just take a look at what we're looking at. If we just point right here, look at the wind velocities in the 50, 60 mile per hour range, but this is not reaching the ground. This is a loft, so we know we have some strong dynamics, and then when the storms move in, they can tap into those strong winds and give us damaging winds, maybe a tornado. So here's the predictive radar as we go through 6 o'clock this evening. Notice it has temperatures and dew points picking up, and then as we get to 7 o'clock, we see the winds picking up, gusting out of the south, 20 to 44, and then you see a squall line developing, and this is when things look to get a little gnarly across Acadiana between 7 and about 9 o'clock tonight. Here comes that squall line, wind gusts in the 40 mile per hour range, and then that squall line progresses through the rest of Acadiana through about midnight or so, and then the severe weather threat ends, but we're going to see lingering showers through the overnight hours. The model giving us about 1.4 inches of rain in Lafayette, then clear, windy, and cooler as we head into tomorrow. Here's the convective energy, so this is what we're looking for. Here it comes as we get to 7 o'clock tonight. This is the juice we need for the storm, so that develops and then redevelops over southeast Louisiana, and the tornado dynamics are pretty high. An enhanced risk of an isolated tornado looks like mainly coastal parishes, southeast Louisiana. Don't see these colors too often, so we could see 1 or 2 strong tornadoes in this weather scenario. Maybe not in Acadiana, may manifest over toward eastern Louisiana, but dynamics are too strong for us to ignore. And then again, you can see a hail potential upwards of 1 to 2 inches based on our model data in case we see storms that produce hail. As for rainfall, we're still going to say about 1 to 3, but models are backing off on rain totals, but can never underestimate these rain systems in these big storms. And then your wind gusts in the 40, 50 mile per hour range with some of the storms. The winds abate as we get past midnight. We get a little bit of a break. And then as we head toward daybreak tomorrow, strong westerly winds. At least the sun will be coming out, so it'll be a nicer day. So summing it all up, tornado threat tonight, wind damaging threat as well, some hail, not as concerned about flooding. So overnight tonight, a stormy night indeed. We'll have all the special effects going for tonight. Your rain chance at 100%. And then as we work our way through the rest of the week, through tomorrow anyway, a windy and cool day, temperatures topping out only in the 50s. We're milder for Wednesday after a morning start near freezing, 70s again. Another weather system Friday, cools off, the weekend looks good. And look at this toward the back end of the 10-day forecast, maybe the coldest air of the season next week, with lows getting close to the hard freeze category. More on that in the days to come. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up right after the break.